Hey y'all, so I'm coming on right after Christmas. I did a Bath and Body Works um sale. I shop sale always. But I have all these scents that I need to go ahead and use up. And I didn't realize I had that many. I have 12 hand soaps and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18 wallflowers. And I mean, I do use them a lot because I use them at work and all that. But anyway, so let me show y'all what I got. I had done a video, I'm going to be honest with you. My hands were so dry, I had to go put on some Vaseline and start over. So I'm going to go ahead and start right here with I got the Crisp Morning Air. I love this. I have this in the, I need my room scent, my room spray scents. When they go $3.95, I just go ahead and get 10 to 12 of them, and they last me just about the whole year. So I got maybe 3 or 4 left, so I'm waiting on that sale again. But I got the Crisp Morning Air in the 2-pack. I got the Honey Crisp Apple. I've got the Perfect Autumn. And I mean, if I have to wait and use these next year, oh well. This will be good. Excuse me, and I have the Marshmallow Fireside. Those are the 2-packs, 4 2-packs. The individual ones, I have Fruity and Happy. Some of these I've never even tried. I just tried them when they go on sale. I think they were $2.95 though. 'Tis the Season, one of my favorites. Eucalyptus Mint, this is a good one. My coworker had that one I liked. I have the Midnight Snow. White Tea and Sage. This is a really, really good one. In fact, I got this in my room right now. It smells so good. I got Beautiful Day. I love that one as well. I got Fresh Water. Fresh Water. I thought it had something else. After Dark. That sounds seductive. I got Laundry Day. I love another one of my favorites. It literally smells like you're doing laundry in your house at Laundry Day. And I think I got 2 of them. No, I got Marshmallow Fireside. So that's all of the wallflowers. Now back here I have hand soaps. I got the Island Blue Lavender. I got the Twisted Peppermint. Into the Night. Dream Bright. White Iris and Cedarwood. Warm Winter Wishes. It's got that bubble wrap. That's why they're falling. Winter Berry Ice. Fresh Sparkling Snow. Bright Christmas Morning. Champagne Toast. 'Tis the Season. So I got the 'Tis the Season soap. And I have the wallflower. And I also have Champagne Toast. So that's all I have. That's enough. This stuff was $100. Usually I buy it like this. And it'll last me a few years. Like, I use regular hand soap a lot too. But the wallflowers, of course, you're changing those out every 30 days. I got about maybe 6 of them left. So these, I got enough to last me. I try to stockpile when it's on sale. Because, y'all, when this stuff is not on sale. So this one was like $6 maybe. Or $5, $7, whatever. But when it's not on sale, it's like $13, $14. So that's why I went ahead and got it. I go ahead and get it when it's on sale like that. So I won't have to buy any more to next, you know, probably the winter, in which sometimes I'll probably end up giving these as gifts. Possibly a giveaway. I could do a giveaway, couldn't I, y'all? I really can. So anyway, this is what I got. My Bath and Body after Christmas haul. And I know it's after Valentine's Day now. But that's what I bought. Like I said, it was $100. I think I paid like $100 for it. Alright. Y'all be blessed. I'll talk to y'all later. Enjoy your day. Tomorrow is Fat Tuesday. Laissez, le bon temps, rouler. Let the good times roll here in Louisiana. Talk to y'all later. Bye.